What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today I want to go over the plans I have with my GPUs coming up in the near future and all of my server cases, as well as open a box I got from a fellow content creator. So if you guys are into that, let's do it. So first things first, all my GPUs right here you guys see on the table obviously need to get all disassembled because, as you guys know, I deshroud all of my GPUs before I throw them in OCTOMINERs. I allow the 140mm fans to do all the dirty work for me and not make my GPUs run with fans on them. It cools just as good. I mean, I've proved this before in previous videos, but either way, to each his own. That's what I like to do. And after I get all of these deshrouded and loaded up, we're going to be sending all these over to Hot Crypto Mining to be able to host these at his facility down where he's located. So super excited about that. And it's also a big step for me because I'm not used to giving any of my stuff to anybody to take care of, let alone all of my GPUs. That is like, you know, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars in equipment. So I'm a little nervous about it, but obviously that's nothing to do with him. It's just all my own, reservations that I have about giving my stuff away. Now let's get to this box right here. So I was speaking to the hobbyist miner and telling him about my plans with the crypto mining trailer. And we ended up talking about some fans that he had left over. And he said he was gonna pack them up and ship them to me. I just paid him for the shipping. And we're gonna see what the heck's in here. All right, what do we got? So I know he packed 4 fans in here to be able to get them all in one shipment. I'm really hoping they're not all dinged up. Got some bent up fins. This is all aluminum. All right, so I'm gonna have to mess with this stuff at some point. Let me get these all out and we'll check them out and then we'll go from there. All right, they're all pulled out. We have 2 pre-owned or pre-used fans with the wires and cords all wired up from Sir Hobbyist. They have, looks like to be some fan speed controls, which is kind of neat because the 2 I got myself previously right here, they actually came pre-wired from the factory. Obviously he wired those ones himself, and they didn't come with that little fan controller. It's literally just a if I could find the end of the cord, which is right here, it's just the end of the cord. So that's all it came with. This one is actually an end of a cord with the separate fan controller. So this theoretically should work on this. Now I really want to see, obviously this is a different brand. I'm curious if this is the same wattage or not. So let me go grab a power meter. I don't have the meter box one because I disassembled the one I had plugged into that and actually used it in the crypto mining trailer. So let's run out there real quick. I'll show you guys where I have the first one. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll leave a link above, but let's go check that out. Grab the power meter. We'll come back in here and test these fans, or at least these 2 right here. And I want to see what the wattage is. Real quick, I just wanted to run over here and look at my solar panels because I'm still pretty excited that I actually finally did all this, and I cannot wait to add some more. This thing's sick, the combiner box right here. Absolutely love having it out here, and I think eventually I'm going to be putting more panels over here. Just don't tell the wife yet. I'm not really ready for that conversation, but I think that's what's going to happen. All right, so this is the setup. These intakes have actually been working fantastic, by the way, just letting you guys know. And this is one of the shutter fans. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here, but this shutter fan right here, again, is only around 51 watts, I think. Let's see. Yep, 51.1. Nice. All right, yeah, so I want to see if the other ones are the same wattage. And again, I did disconnect the meter box that I had plugged in the garage to test the wattage to create this 3-pack of meter boxes right there. So we're gonna steal this guy right here and we're gonna go plug this into the wall in the garage and see what that thing pulls. All right, let's get this thing plugged in. All right, so I just propped this thing up. I'm gonna have to hold it when we plug it in. So let's try it without the fan speed controller. All right, so this one actually feels a little stronger, I'm not gonna lie. And we're pulling 61.4 watts. All right, so this fan's about 10 watts higher, but it does feel a little stronger, I'm not gonna lie. So interesting. All right, let's get this thing shut down because that doesn't want to stay up. But either way, that's amazing. I'm glad that these actually work really well. So now I'm kind of curious to see how the fan speed controller works, but the suck factor here is the fact that this thing plugs in like that, and I gotta pull my desk away from the wall so I can plug in this cord because it will not fit like that. All right, give me a second, let me pull this away. All right, desk is pulled out. I got this thing kind of chalked up right there on the desk against the back wall. And check out this fan speed controller. I didn't even realize it has an off, high, medium, and low. So you can have it fully plugged in and use it as a switch as well. So let's turn it all the way to low, and I just want to see how strong it feels. You know what? This actually kind of feels right around the same strength as the one in the trailer right now on low. That's interesting. I don't have one of those CFM readers, but there is a new YouTuber that actually watches my channel and did a review on this fan, or not this fan, the other one that I have. I'll leave a link to his channel right here above. Guys, go like and subscribe to him and check out that video. It was actually pretty interesting. Now, this right here is pulling 51 watts, so that seems on par. Like I said, it feels exactly like the other one at this low speed. Let's go to medium. You can feel it ramp up. We're at 53, just about. All right, so about 53 watts, and yeah, you can definitely feel the difference. All right, let's try high. All the way cranked up to high. Opens it back up to 61. And this thing actually feels super strong. Damn, this, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if this fan speed controller will make a difference if I plug it in on the other one. I'm kind of curious now. You know what? Let's go check. I want to see. I'm super curious to know if that fan speed controller will change anything. I highly doubt it, but also we can see if it changes the wattage on that fan as well. So let's go back out there and do that. All right, let's do it. I gotta plug this thing in sideways because these outlets are sideways. There we go. Plug in the fan. If I can see what the heck I'm doing, that'd be nice. All right, right now it's off. Let's turn it to low first. All right. 38 watts. Holy hell, that's actually kind of cool. On like cool days, if I don't need a lot of exhaust, I could crank these things down to 38 watts. Wow, that's fantastic. All right, well, clearly we know what the situation is. It's not going to change the wattage, or the speed of the fan, rather. It's going to change the wattage, but it's also going to lower the speed. It's not going to increase it at all. So obviously high is going to be back to the 51 watts. So I would definitely say that these things are not pulling 1800 CFM, especially according to that guy that did make a video on testing this with the CFM reader. He did like a bunch of passes past it, and it just doesn't equate to the 1800 CFM that it actually says it can do. But I mean, these little power meters are, or fan speed controllers, are freaking awesome. I'm excited about these actually, so I can't wait to get these on. My plans here are to, again, cut in more of these, one here, probably one below it, and then I'm gonna do 3 on this side as well. Yeah, that'll be for another day though. I just don't have time to do it today, but these things are actually really cool. So again, thank you so much to Hobbyist for sending these things over, because he did not need them anymore due to his new crypto mining shed that he has going on. He has other shutter fans in there. This is the only issue I'm gonna have to deal with, these ones that he previously used that are kind of bent. So I'm gonna have to try to get these things to sit flush and just bend them back. So obviously you don't want bugs and stuff coming in to the trailer. But either way, when you guys get one of these fans, this is the box that this little fan controller, speed controller thing comes in, and this power cord comes with the little plastic bushing, some wire nuts and everything, so you can wire it right up. So he gave me all of those as well, so that's awesome. We have a total of 4 of those fan speed controllers and 4 fans, 2 here, and then we got 2 down here. So 2 we used, 2 we didn't. Again, thank you so much to him. I'll leave these down in the Amazon store if you guys are interested in them. I know it was just a short video, but until next time, guys, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.